Receiving the commissioner, the site engineer Mohammed Sani said the construction of 500 housing units started 5 months ago, remaining the finishing touches, which will be completed within a week. After going around the estate, the commissioner instructed the site engineer to ensure grading of layout, clearing of grasses within the surrounding of the estate. Engineer Mustafa Gudeo said the administration of Professor Babagana Umar Zulum is committed to resettlement of the insurgency-ravaged communities across the state, pointed out that the governor will soon commission all the completed houses. He said government has invested huge resources on the construction of the houses for displaced communities and advised the Auno community to maintain the house after allocation. Similarly, the commissioner has also inspected boreholes drilled to ensure steady division of water at the estate. Permanent Secretary of the Ministry, Engineer Abba Yusuf, an advisor to the governor on resettlement, Abdurrahman Abdul Karim, commended the progress of work and urged the site engineer to complete the project as scheduled. Meanwhile, the United Nations Development Programme officer paid courtesy call on the commissioner in his office, led by Ms. Linia Dinku of Department of Resident Representative of Nigeria on the activities in Borno and discussed partnership between the two organizations. Abba Kaka Abba Master, BRTV News.